Alright, I've realized life is just one big networking event. Everything, everyone you make friends with, everyone you do business with, your family, everyone. It's all just a big networking event. And whilst you think that money is about business to business, I've realized it's about none of that. All money is people and people. Speak to people. There's no such thing as transfer of money due to real physical money. It's all through people. It's all through talking. It's all done through the mind. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to have expensive clothes. You don't have to even drive a nice car. You just have to be the person that people want to talk to. Be the person people want to be around. And that's it. And that's it. This whole time, you really thought that you had to make it to make it. Nah. You just gotta be the person people want to be around. Give something. Be positive. Be happy. Smile. It was that easy. And confident. Confident. Don't be insecure. Just go speak to them. Women, guys, businessmen, all of them. That's the key. It took me so long to realize. So long. There's money everywhere. Walk down the fucking high street and you'll see independent shops, big shops, everywhere. And this whole time I thought it was impossible. Not this time.